Good day everyone, I am Junel Basi and today we will discuss the lesson 26, the properties of sound. Um, More and more young people in playing musical instruments like piano, guitar, and other improvised instruments. So sound is produced vibration. So this vibration is produced sound waves which move through several mediums such as air, water, before reaching our ears. Okay, let's proceed to the properties of sound. So, there are three properties of sound, which is pitch, quality, and loudness. So, pitch is refers to the highness and lowness of notes. So, when vibration are fast, high notes are heard, and when vibrations are slow, low notes are heard. For example, whistle and drum. So, whistle are considered as high pitch of sound, and the drum is a low pitch of sound. Next is quality. Quality is refers to the shape of the sound waves an object produce. So, quality is the smoother of shape of the waves, the better of the quality of the sound and more pleasing it is to hear. So the last one is loudness. So loudness is refers to the volume or sound pressure produced by the vibration of an object. If the sound producers are pressure, then the sound become louder. This pressure can sometimes be so high that loud becomes irritating our ears. For example, fire alarm. It is because the sound of fire alarm produces high pressure sound. And that's all. Thank you.